How to see the number of Snapchat friends that you have. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Snapchat application from your device and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now here, tap onto the chat option. At this page, you will see all the Snapchat friends that you have. But in order to know the total amount, tap on this three-dot icon here. Then tap on Manage Friendships. As you do so, you will see all of your friends alphabetically, meaning that if your friends' names start with H, you will see that person under H alphabet. And just like so, you have to count all that person and thus friends list. And that is the only way to know the total friends you have on your Snapchat account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.